So today I just got this 2025 3M holiday box delivered. A couple weeks ago I put out a video showcasing how to get your own box through the link for shareholders and the promo code to do so, and it just arrived, so I'm going to open it up. So the outside box looks relatively like all the previous years. The only thing I've done so far is just cut the tape, so I can kind of do a lot of this very easy. I have this message on the top of the box when you open it up, and then starts all the different products you get. So this box costs $27, but in previous years you were getting like $75 to $100 worth of product. So starting on the top, you have a Scotch-Brite 3-in-1 microfiber cloth, Scotch-Brite Premium Kitchen microfiber cloth, 3M Perfect It Show car detailing cloth. You've got some Scotch magnetic tape, some Scotch interior double-sided mounting squares, some Peltor Sport reusable earplugs, some claw drywall picture hangers, some command strips, Scotch premium pair of scissors, a Scotch-Brite Everyday Clean lint roller, you got a 3M dust channeling sanding sponge. You've got a roll of Scotch-Brite reusable wipes. You've got 2 Scotch-Brite transparent tape, some Scotch washi tape. I'll have to look into what this is actually used for. Some notepads for the week you can use. Some caster cups you can put, as you can see in the image, for your like furniture around the room. And then some damage-free hanging command strips, which will go with the first command strips that I showed. And that is everything you get in the box. Now everything I just pulled out of here is probably worth way more than the $27 that I paid, but you can see it's a really great value. It's supposed to be limited to shareholders, but like the link gets passed around, the promo code barely changes, and I'll put that link in the description and the same promo code that works as well. Pick out your own box. You can send a bunch to your family as you want to. You can order a whole bunch, but if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel if you've not already. Every little bit helps, and I appreciate it all. Thanks for watching.